Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on sleep mode in modes and routines in our Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. Where to look for this option and how to turn it on? We need to go to settings, and here we have modes and routines. When we open it, the first one is sleep mode. So when we open it, we can change quite a few things here. For example, we can leave a manual button, or we can set up our times here. So from we can turn it on, and then it can last whatever we need from here, or we can set up automatic schedule. As you can see, day of the weeks, alarms, etc. And don't forget to save. And now our schedule is set. Done. And that's it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.